Yeah.
Until it's hot and hot.
See that, guys? Okay, in a minute, baby.
Oh, them chickens! Back. Oh, some chickens!
Rocco, back
Look
up.
at the chicken! Look at the chicken, the poor turkey, bagak. Look at the poor turkey. I'm just getting a good shot. Carly, what do you have to say about those poor turkeys there? You know they were live animals, right?
I'm making another YouTube video.
No, I'm just recording this because I want it to be a special moment. Now, Drew, you realize those were live animals, right?
I know it was a turkey, Rocco. Does that look good?
Do you feel bad for that sad turkey?
Rocco, they won't.
Banana.
Rocco, look at that new dog.
You don't feel bad for it, Drew? You don't feel bad?
I don't feel bad either.
Say, you know why?
How
It tastes
dare
good,
you?
yummy, right?
How dare you? You monster!
You can eat them all up?
Yeah.
That's why.
Well, I don't care about it.
You're all monsters.
You're gonna
It's
eat
gonna be really dead because we eat it.
Those were birds of natural beauty.
Okay, stop.
And you are now eating their guts. You're eating bird guts.
There's no guts.
There's no guts. Say,
Bird
yummy
guts.
in my tummy.
Bird guts.
Rocco, stop. Enough.
Bird guts.